Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to pass search query params to a NextJS application, to a NextJS page, which is server side render without making it client side render. So typically here you can see I am passing an ID equal to 123. Instead of 123 you can pass whatever you feel like. Instead of ID also you can pass whatever you feel like, but I'm looking for ID on this particular page without using the use search params hook. Typically whenever you use the use search params, you will have to make your page client side render, but here I'm making it server side render, but I'm passing this ID equal to 123, and here you can see whatever you pass for your ID, I'm just displaying it inside my page. So basically what I have done is that this is my NextJS application, and here I have just created, inside our app I have just created a folder called detail. Inside that there is this page.tsx file. Okay, here this is just a React component, but it takes a prop called search params, and here you can see I'm passing key value pair. So the key will be of type string and the value will be also of type string, but if you want you can change it as well. And here now to get the ID, because I'm passing ID over here, right? Instead of ID you can pass whatever you feel like. Suppose you pass it at user ID, then here you will have to use search params dot user ID over here, user ID. Okay, and then I'm just taking it inside a variable and displaying it. So yeah, that's how simple it is. Typically try to avoid using the use search params. If you use it, I mean that's nothing bad, but then you will have to make your page client side render. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.